Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for anyone who's serious about muscle building and self-improvement, muscle pain. We'll talk about what causes muscle pain, how to get relief and recover, potential concerns, and the difference between good pain and bad pain when it comes to muscle growth. Stick around to the end because I've got some bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Trust me, this is going to be valuable information that could make a big difference in your training and recovery process. Alright, let's start with what causes muscle pain. When you push your muscles to the limit, whether through weightlifting, resistance training, or even intense cardio, you're creating tiny tears in the muscle fibers. This is a normal part of the muscle building process, and it's actually how your muscles grow stronger and bigger. These micro tears cause inflammation, which is the main source of that soreness and pain you feel after a tough workout. This type of muscle pain is known as delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. DOMS usually kicks in about 24 to 48 hours after your workout and can last anywhere from a couple of days to a week, depending on the intensity of your exercise and your body's response. So, now that we know what causes muscle pain, let's talk about how to get relief and recover effectively. The first thing you need to know is that rest and recovery are crucial. Your muscles need time to repair those tiny tears, and this is when they actually grow. Make sure you're getting plenty of sleep, as this is when your body does most of its healing. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Another key aspect of recovery is nutrition. You need to fuel your body with the right nutrients to aid in the repair process. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, so make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. Aim for about 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, depending on your activity level and muscle building goals. Carbohydrates are also important as they replenish glycogen stores in your muscles, giving you the energy you need for your next workout. Don't forget about healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, which all play a role in overall recovery and health. Hydration is another often overlooked but critical component of recovery. Water helps flush out toxins from your muscles and keeps everything functioning optimally. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, especially after intense workouts. Now, let's get into some specific techniques to relieve muscle pain. One of the most effective ways to reduce soreness is through active recovery. This means engaging in low-intensity exercises that increase blood flow to your muscles without putting additional strain on them. Activities like walking, light jogging, swimming, or even yoga can be great for active recovery. Stretching is another important aspect of muscle recovery. Gentle stretching can help reduce muscle tightness and improve flexibility, which can alleviate some of the pain you're feeling. Make it a habit to stretch after every workout and incorporate some stretching sessions on your rest days as well. Foam rolling, or self-myofascial release, is another great technique to help with muscle pain. By using a foam roller, you can apply pressure to specific areas of your muscles to help release tension and improve blood flow. This can significantly reduce soreness and speed up recovery. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes foam rolling each day, focusing on the muscles that are most sore or tight. Another method to consider is contrast therapy, which involves alternating between hot and cold treatments. Using a hot pack or taking a warm bath can help increase blood flow and relax your muscles, while applying ice or taking a cold shower can reduce inflammation and numb the pain. Alternating between heat and cold can provide significant relief and help speed up recovery. Now, it's important to be aware of potential concerns when dealing with muscle pain. Not all pain is good pain. While DOMS is a normal part of the muscle building process, sharp or severe pain could be a sign of an injury. If you experience pain that's intense, localized, or doesn't go away after a few days, it's important to seek medical advice. Injuries like muscle strains, sprains, or tears require proper treatment and rest, and continuing to train on an injury can lead to more serious problems. Another concern is overtraining. If you're constantly feeling sore and fatigued, and your performance in the gym is declining, you might be pushing yourself too hard. Overtraining can lead to a breakdown in muscle tissue, weakened immune system, and even long-term injuries. Make sure you're giving your body enough time to recover between workouts and listen to the signals it's sending you. Now, let's talk about muscle growth pain. This is the kind of pain that comes with pushing your limits and making progress. It's important to differentiate between the soreness from a good workout and the pain of an injury. Muscle growth pain is usually a dull, aching sensation that's spread out over the muscle, while injury pain is often sharp and localized. If you're feeling that muscle growth pain, it means you're on the right track, but remember to balance it with proper recovery. As we wrap up, I want to remind you again to stick around to the end for some bonus tips. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the game in understanding how to manage and recover from muscle pain effectively. Here are a few more quick tips to help you out. First, consider incorporating supplements into your routine. Supplements like BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids, creatine, and omega-3 fatty acids can support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. Always do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your regimen. Second, pay attention to your workout technique. Poor form can lead to unnecessary strain and injuries. Make sure you're using proper form and technique for all your exercises, and don't hesitate to ask for help from a trainer or more experienced gym goers. Lastly, be patient and consistent. Muscle building is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and dedication to see significant results. Don't get discouraged by muscle pain or setbacks. Use them as opportunities to learn and improve. So there you have it, guys. Understanding muscle pain, how to get relief and recover, and knowing the difference between good and bad pain is crucial for your muscle building journey. Remember to rest, fuel your body properly, stay hydrated, and use recovery techniques like stretching, foam rolling, and contrast therapy. And always be mindful of potential injuries and overtraining. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or topics you want us to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Stay strong, stay dedicated, and I'll see you in the next video.